daddy good vibes, my childhood sweetheart, my love, my husband, my best friend, Simbarashe Knowledge Kuzh. We've come a long way, Vhuramayi, Ebenezer. From the very beginning, you were my home, my calm, my joy. I remember the first time we met, when everything was simple and life was just beginning. You smiled at me with a heart so kind, and something in that smile told me, this is the man who will hold my hand through life. We were just young when we fell in love. I was only 19, innocent and full of dreams, and you were 20, strong and determined, ready to take on the world. We didn't have much, but we had love. We didn't have it all, but we had faith. We didn't know the future, but we trusted that God would guide us. It wasn't easy, but you honored me. You made me your wife, and in August 1998 you paid la bala. Not because you had everything, but because you believed in what we were building. That moment, Simbarashe, was more than tradition. It was your promise, your vow, your declaration that love would lead us. You were 20, I was 19, and together we stood before God, before family, before life itself, saying yes to forever. Two dreamers with hope in our hearts, with nothing but faith to carry us through, with the love of God as our only strength. We built our world hand in hand, slowly, prayerfully, faithfully. And now the years have come and gone, and we've grown older, still together and strong. Daddy good vibes, my childhood sweetheart, my love. I love calling you Simba. Since we met, that name still melts my heart. It reminds me of the young man who made me laugh, who wiped my tears, who believed in me when the world didn't. My dearest love, we've come so far through hardships, but God held our hands through it all. Through every trial, every storm, every night when the road felt long, we still stood together. We never let go. Through every challenge in our marriage, we said Ebenezer, because the Lord truly has brought us this far. Our love is great, built on faith, covered by grace. There were moments when life felt heavy, when we were tired and weary, but side by side we kept believing that love and prayer would be enough. Among so many, I chose you, and even now, after all these years, I still choose you. Till death do us part. I remember our early days vividly. The laughter, the simplicity.